All right, what do we have here, guys? We have a bunch of items that graciously we have been sent out for sponsorship opportunities, and I'm presenting these out here for you guys. This is like my little Christmas present. I love getting sponsorships and showing you guys what companies have to offer in the automotive industry here. I know some of you guys have commented once before, hey man, stop making these sponsored videos. No one wants to watch them. I totally understand. Nobody wants to see 10 episodes and videos of a part being unboxed and reviewed and marketed to you. But here, that's why we're doing one video with all the parts that we have gathered here over the last couple of weeks, and hope you guys enjoy. There's definitely a variety of parts here and companies that want to share and propose their items to you. So check them out, see what you like, and let's get started here. All right, perfect. Microphone is finally working after
this camera driving me crazy.
First item up, boroscope. So you guys know how we blew our engine. We were looking inside the cylinders to see what's possibly happening in there. This is what you need. If you got an issue in the cylinders, if you got a clogged toilet from Thanksgiving dinner, all right, something like this. You got a long, look at the long hose here. You can save images on here, record videos, whatever the boroscope sees, you can replay that. There's a built-in memory stick right inside here. So this will help you find out what the problem is where your eyes can't see it. So thank you for sending this one out. Definitely will come in handy, as we will be soon looking into the cylinder that we blew a few months ago. Going into the next item, what's a garage if you can't see what you're doing, if you can't see what you're working on? And here we go, Tan Baby sponsoring with some LED lights, and I'm a real big fan of these. I've tried something similar in the past. We have some in the garage right now, and these actually look even cooler, even better, and there's a lot more variety, and the angles that they can actually go down, they have a bigger angle. They have more fans than the ones I had, so this is awesome. Plenty of light to light up our tiny one-car garage that we are working with right now. Comes in a 2-pack. Try them out. Has a regular connection. I've actually tried this out already in the house, and this thing is bright. It lit the whole basement up. Pretty much bright white lights, just about 6,000 Kelvin, long-lasting. Heat dissipation design. Again, if you need lights and you want a typical mount for light bulbs, this is the way to go. Thank you, Tanbay. We will definitely light up the garage so we see what we're doing. Now, as car guys, we like to keep things clean, and right now I know we have the winter season ahead of us. It's too cold to do anything. Most of us go to the car wash to get our vehicles cleaned. Yamatic over here, they sent us out a pressure washer nozzle attachment and a foam cannon with multiple attachments over here. We do have a pressure washer in the garage. As you can see, Yamatic here comes with multiple attachments and all the connections and fittings you need to get this thing operating. The connections are pretty cool because it gives you different fan pattern sizes, so that water stream can be either zero, really tight, or you can fan it out as much as you want. And the foam cannon is a must to clean up the car, put soap on the vehicle to loosen up all that dirt and grime, to decontaminate it so you don't scratch up the surface. Overall, it comes with a big soap container so you can have all the foam you need. Yamatic seems like it's high quality. Again, all the attachments are provided so you can hook this thing up and you're ready to clean and spray. And you know, just a quick question out there for you guys: if you are ceramic coating your vehicles, let me know which ceramic coating you guys use. I'm curious and never have ceramic coated the vehicle, but I definitely would be interested in checking that out. And enjoy the B-roll. Well, as you guys see, I had to do a voiceover on that one. Always problems. Let me know if there's a good camera out there with a microphone adapter, external mic adapter, that's not gonna break the budget, because I can't be making these videos if it always is giving me a problem. I tried to film this intro the other day. So much wasted time. Anyway, let's keep moving. Alright, the next one's short, simple, and sweet. What we have right over here are hood shocks. Instead of using that hood prop that all our Honda guys are using because our cars didn't come with any shocks, this company right here sent us out some shocks for the hood to prop out. Tsubasa company right over here with a carbon fiber overlay of the shocks sent us out 2 shocks that you can mount into your vehicle's engine bay, and you can finally get rid of that stinking old prop rod. I don't know, some guys might like the prop rod. We're gonna give this a go and see how we like it. Modernize the car a little bit. Comes with your installation instructions for the Honda Civic 8th generation, and we will let you know how this one turns out. Hopefully it's not going to be in the way for any critical components, but I'm hoping these work out well. And yeah, the little carbon fiber design is a nice little touch. The next thing on the roster, bam, can you see it? We got intercooler piping, sponsored by Max Heating Rods. Thank you very much, Rena, for sending this out. This is an intercooler piping set with a much bigger diameter than we currently have in our vehicle that we had the turbocharger set up for. And these pipes are no joke. This pipe is probably good to support up to 1200 horsepower of boost. Something we're definitely not going to have in our Honda Civic. But if you need those parts for whatever build you're using, definitely check out Max Feeding Rods for affordable piping kits. Comes with all your couplers, comes with all your clamps, and they come in a variety of piping sizes, and you are from 2 1/4 to 3 inches. So check them out, see what they're offering right now, what kind of deals they got. But definitely the whole kit, like I just showed you, is included here, and plenty of pipe to mock up a custom intercooler piping set for your turbocharger needs. Again, thank you, Rena. I do have affiliate links below. Check them out for discounts. I like these kits because you pretty much get all your bends included in the kit for your piping, so you can do all your pie cuts. You got a U-bend, straight bend, 45, and the 90. Kind of fits all your purposes in creating a nice, solid intercooler set. Mandrel bend, overall good quality, a little thicker than some of the cheap stuff, so you won't be blowing out through it while you're trying to weld aluminum. All right, coming towards the end of this video, fairly nice, fully covered OBD2 scanner from CCG Sulit, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's an all-in-one system for your OBD2 diagnostic needs for your vehicle. Let's take a quick peek at what we have here. And I mean, they put in some work. You got their marketing company listed everywhere, and here it is, the OBD2 scanner. And unlike some of these scanners that are very small, tiny, compact, this is a nice full screen. It's pretty lightweight. I already tried using it. Definitely nice to have something in a whole sealed case. It just makes it seem like you're serious when you go and check out those OBD2 codes, right? You got some serious equipment. If you're a mechanic working on cars, going to diagnose cars, you pull up with something like this, they know you're gonna find the problem. So check these guys out. Again, links will be in the description for it. You need these things when you're running aftermarket parts. You're constantly having check engine codes, whether it's oxygen sensors, mass airflow sensors out of range like we were having with our turbo build. You need to know what these check engine lights are saying, and why not use this item to check all your live system data, diagnostics, and plenty more things. We will be playing with this in the near future. I know some of you guys have been waiting for this big old package. I don't know which one is bigger, the intercooler piping kit or this one. This one, another sponsorship, and this is actually interesting because I did not expect these. Can you guess what they are? I'll tell you what they are. OEM 8th generation Honda Civics headlights, replicas. So, as some of you guys already know, I do a lot of painting, or at least I did a lot of painting back in the day when I had a little bit more time, but I did do about 4 headlight restorations where I would sand them, clear coat them, and buff them. And currently I'm on my original headlights on my vehicle after about 2 years of doing the 2K step clear coat, and they're holding up great. But this company here is sending out a OEM design headlight for our vehicle. It's a little bit different, I think, on this corner light. It doesn't have the full ambers light covers that mine does, the original, but these are nice. I actually enjoy this one. Hopefully this bolts right up without any problems and without any leaks. We'll be actually donating this part to our friend Kesso, longtime viewer and subscriber to the channel. We've worked on his Honda Civic a few times on our channel, and he's actually going to be picking these up from me, and we're going to show you guys how these look like on his vehicle once they're installed, the befores and afters. So yeah, great price, affordable. I know these things go bad after some time, and trust me, buffing these things out, bad old headlights, is not gonna be a permanent solution. Heck, even the 2K clear coat, I'm already starting to see degradation. OEM replica style headlight is probably your best solution for a long-term fix. So thank you again. Links will be down in the description below. All right, well, thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. I appreciate everyone's support. 2023, another year of opportunities and potential. Thank you everyone that has supported me throughout the last couple of years trying to grow this YouTube channel. Thank you for all the sponsors. Again, I'm gonna try to limit the sponsorship videos, but there's a lot of things here I think you guys can utilize, or potentially it can spark some interest, like, hey, I didn't know that existed, I think I can use that. Oh, that's what it was called? Cool, now I know. And I'm definitely not trying to push these products on you, but if you are interested in any of these, there's links in the description below and you can check them out yourself. Some of these things I may be an affiliate with, like Max Peating Rods, and I know on the description some LED light companies, I do affiliate myself with them, so I do make a tiny bit of a commission if you do purchase something, but that all goes back to the channel and gets kind of reinvested into projects for the future. And there will definitely be more projects in this upcoming year. With your support, we're going to continue growing, and the only thing missing is time. But hopefully I find some time to keep up with this rat race. Peace. Damn, I'm a good YouTuber.